This 2022 Coachmen Leprechaun 319 megabytes is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 32 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, LP detector, TV, smoke detector, slide-out, oven, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Coachmen Leprechaun 319 megabytes is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.